What did you do today to diminish the carbon footprint? I planted yesterday this avocado tree. Let's put it in a wonderful pot, big one. And look at this. Did not have no plant shock. It's doing well with water. And we're having a really dry season, not like the winter. Winter was very, very, very wet. And this tree over here is my neighbor. Someone one time say, oh, it's rotten, it's gonna fall. No, didn't do it. Her son-in-law is an arborist, and I'm glad she did keep it. And guess this one here. This is the saw palmetto. In Malaysia, in Asia in general, they grow like crazy, and they have the seeds from this. It's fantastic. You guys would ask me, what is fantastic for? And it's growing like crazy. What is the rotten tree? Half of the tree fell off of my wonderful backyard, but it's growing. And people make hats of this. A lot of the hippies do. Right? Love you.